Elizabeth on her new toy for her first birthday. You figuring that out? Here, let's move this. Okay, push the button. Elizabeth, push the button. Come on. Do it again. Push the button. Elizabeth, come here. Elizabeth, push your button. Push your button. Oh no, don't give up now. No. You're so cute. Oh, there she's just gonna get it. You can figure it out. You can do it. Just get your leg over there. Good girl. See? Push your button. Yay! So cute. That's so cute, honey. Yay! You're getting the hang of that. You done? I got enough. Oh, look at you go. Oh, good girl. Good girl.